rather straightforward. Calculate and measure the installation position of our mechanism and prepare the milling of the basic shape into the upper surface of the furniture part. After milling, insert the mechanism according to our instruction and fix the single screws into the holes. Move the top plate back and forth to reach all screw holes. Once all screws are installed, bring the moving plate into the 90-degree position so that it is pointing outwards from the furniture. At the upper desk, measure the distance for the locking plate according to our installation instructions and screw the locking plate onto the lower surface of the movable desk. Make sure to also install your felt gliders or wheelers under the side leg of the movable desk. Now, pick up the movable desk and turn it upright. Orientate the desk into a 90-degree position so that the long side is pointing outwards from the furniture. Slowly move the desk over the installed mechanism and make sure the locking plate hooks to the top plate of the mechanism. Once connected, fix the screws of the top plate on the lower surface of the desk. Your desk is now ready for operation and turning.